Assalamu alaikum. Uh, we are going to this session in about Upwork readiness test. That means how you can pass this exam with less than 4 minutes or 5 minutes. In this video, we are going to show a simple tricks that will help you to gain this success. And first time, you should to go your find work, then see the below link of work readiness test, and then trace it. I already face and I already covered this page. Okay, then click start test. After you start this test, you should to follow you should to browse some site like bijonosa.com/ft. I will provide you this link in the description, in this video's description. Okay, then you should to click this below link, and then you will find this blog site, and also this and also this. Okay, so after this three website is load, then you should to click this start test. Okay, after you click this, and then your exam will be started. Okay, then you should you just copy your questions, and then go to your blog site, then press Ctrl+F. Okay, then here is one question is available. Okay, then you should press enter. Okay, now you found this question and also its answer. Here you should to load this. This is answer, this is also answer, this is also answer, this is also answer. Not colored sentence is not answer. Okay, you just put four check on your answer sheet, then press continue. Okay, then your answer is counted successfully right. Okay, you can use the same tricks on this website also. If you did not found this question in this website, then use it on that also. Okay, I think you will found this any of this site. Okay, after you completed these 10 questions, I think you just take 4 or 5 minutes to pass this exam. Okay, thank you so much for watching this, and I think you should to subscribe my channel, and if you don't understand any of this, then please comment us.